Hello, this is a video tutorial on how to use the Outing app for Teams. First, of course on the App Store or CH Play, download the Outing app. Note, the application has a yellow-green logo. For the first device to log into the team, we call it the main device, requiring the device to have a strong battery, strong signal, and full data. The first interface the team sees is the program code. This code is provided by the organizers, requiring typing or scanning a QR code. A welcome page opens. This is a welcome from the organizers with notes, general game rules and contact information. The team is then transferred to the login process with your team name. Please enter the team name. Team codes are provided by the organizers. Teams create a logo by taking a photo or choosing an existing photo, then press start. For logged-in members, there is a final link. Click on it. It will open a code filling interface similar to the main machine's code. This is a video we recorded on the screen for the team to observe. Zoom the screen wide to see the results. The application allows sending attached images or videos. Receive a response from the organizers. Click on the map or satellite button. For machines that need to be logged out, we will log in normally, then press the login button again, enter the team code as we have and still log in normally. In addition, you actively learn the information on the instruction menu in the app. Outing. Thank you for listening attentively.